inundated po my uh, green beans, broccoli, and I have a broccoli here, and this is the green beans, guys. Green beans, and I got daffodils here too. The flowers, and I got broccoli here, guys. This is broccoli. And pumpkin, guys. This is my pumpkin. A pumpkin squash. Pumpkin squash. Pumpkin squash. And this is the broccoli, everyone. My broccoli. Broccoli, and my green beans. Green beans. Enjoy it. My herbs. Hi, bees. Hi. Thank you for. You're gonna see your home there in the back. Your home is in the back. The bees is here too, guys. So you have a bees and my strawberry. My update on my strawberry. Here's the strawberry, guys. Flowers for pollinators, and onions, parsley, flowers, my herbs, thyme, oregano, and this. My daughter is gonna be happy this one, guys. She loves strawberry.